Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to set up Fingerprint on HP ProBook 635. So the fingerprint sensor is right here. And now go into the setup, sign-in options, fingerprint recognition, and set up. Get started, type in your PIN, touch the fingerprint sensor, and do it a couple of times. Try different angles, and now you're all set. As you can see, lock, and I unlocked it with a fingerprint. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.